Let me see, because I ordered from Friday Parts a whole conversion, which, take these out, these are the flashers, AR60250, and there's 4 of them in that kit. But here is your conversion kit. You get a new plate that replaces these ones. You also get the wiring harness, and you get the 3 individual lights, which I already had 4 of them before. This is what it's gonna look like. Now there is, as you can see, there is a top, positive, negative, and this does say top, so you want to put them in the right way. And you have the bracket to hold the light, and just replace this, you know, like a one piece, and replace that. Show you here. If you are interested in these lights, check out the kit, check out on Friday Parts.